Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear parking sensors in the newly refreshed 2023 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an X-Line all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl with terracotta brown interior. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, your front parking sensors are located here in the front, on either side of the license plate there. And this is where your rear ones are located. And when you go into reverse, you're going to see it's going to show up on the right hand side here to give us kind of the proximity sensor area. So as I back up, if I'm going to start getting close to something here, it will start to beep to let you know you're getting close to it. And if you were continuing, the closer you get, it will go yellow to tell you that you're much, much closer. If I get even closer, it's going to go red to let me know I'm super, super close now. This is equipped with the parking collision avoidance rear. So if I did keep going and get close enough, then the vehicle will stop you before you end up getting too close to whatever it is you were backing up to. And if you needed to, you can turn on and off the parking sensors with this button right here. So right now the light is on to tell you that the parking sensors are activated. But let's say you happen to be driving and the parking sensors got covered with snow, or you have a bike rack on the back that's covering the sensors, you can temporarily turn it off, and then that way they're not going to be beeping like mad. And when you're ready to turn it back on, you just go ahead and press it. When the light's on, now your parking sensors are activated again. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.